We're going to split this STI short block, and we have to change the main bearing and the connecting rod bearing for this engine block. So I take the two piston out already, and if you can see, the connecting rod bearing is seized. So we have to split this. So we have to take the bolts here. See that? The bolt here. This one. And then after we split this, we have to change the crankshaft main bearing and the connecting rod bearing. So that's our project for today. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you're updated to all my videos. Subscribe, like, and share. So this is the EJ257 engine from STI. So we have to take this out. So to take that out, all bolts here, see this? You have to take the water pump to get this bolt, and then the oil sump, and they have a bolt here at the bottom. See that? To take the piston out here, to take this piston out, you have to take this cap, and then you have a window to get the piston pin from this area for this piston. And then for this piston, the window is here. So that's the piston pin. To take that out, here they have a plug here. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will see how I can split this short block from Subaru STI. Thank you for watching.